This video was made available by Akpo Oyagwa Refrigeration Company. Like this video, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. What is a refrigerant? A refrigerant is a substance used in a refrigeration cycle to transfer heat from one location to another. The most common refrigerants used in air conditioning and refrigeration systems are hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HCFCs, and hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, which have been found to have a significant impact on the Earth's ozone layer and climate. Due to this, many countries have phased out the use of ozone-depleting refrigerants and are promoting the use of environmentally friendly alternatives, such as hydrocarbons and natural refrigerants such as CO2. Here are a few examples of different types of refrigerants that have been used in refrigeration and air conditioning systems. 1. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. These refrigerants have been phased out due to their harmful effect on the ozone layer. 2. Hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HCFCs. These refrigerants are also being phased out due to their negative impact on the ozone layer. 3. Hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs. These refrigerants do not contain chlorine, so they do not harm the ozone layer, but they are greenhouse gases and contribute to global warming. 4. Hydrocarbons, HCs. These refrigerants are naturally occurring and are considered to be environmentally friendly, but they can be flammable if not handled properly. 5. Carbon dioxide, CO2. This is a natural refrigerant that is considered to be environmentally friendly. 6. Ammonia, NH3. This is a widely used refrigerant in industrial and commercial applications, but it is toxic and flammable. 7. Lithium bromide, lithium bromide. This is used as a refrigerant in absorption refrigeration systems. 8. Propane, R290. This is a hydrocarbon refrigerant used in residential, commercial and industrial refrigeration systems. This is not an exhaustive list, and there are many other refrigerants that are being developed and used in different applications. Here is a list of some common refrigerant names and their corresponding ASHRAE numbers. 1. R12, dichlorodifluoromethane. 2. R22, chlorodifluoromethane. 3. R134A, tetrafluoroethane. 4. R404A, a blend of HFCs. 5. R407C, a blend of HFCs. 6. R410A, a blend of HFCs. 7. R502, a blend of HCFCs. 8. R717, ammonia. 9. R744, carbon dioxide. 10. R290, propane. It's important to note that some of these refrigerants are being phased out due to their negative impact on the environment. Here is a list of some common refrigerants that are being phased out due to their negative impact on the environment. 1. R12, dichlorodifluoromethane. CFC refrigerant phased out globally under the Montreal Protocol. 2. R22, chlorodifluoromethane. HCFC refrigerant phased out globally under the Montreal Protocol. 3. R502, a blend of HCFCs, phased out globally under the Montreal Protocol. 4. R11, chlorofluorocarbons, CFC refrigerant phased out globally under the Montreal Protocol. 5. R123, chlorofluorocarbons, CFC refrigerant phased out globally under the Montreal Protocol. 6. R124, chlorofluorocarbons, CFC refrigerant phased out globally under the Montreal Protocol. It's important to note that the phase-out of these refrigerants may vary by country or region, as well as the specific application in which they are used. Here is a list of some common refrigerants that do not harm the ozone layer. 1. R134, a tetrafluoroethane, HFC refrigerant that is widely used as a replacement for CFCs and HCFCs. 2. R404A, a blend of HFCs, HFC refrigerant that is commonly used in commercial refrigeration systems. 3. R407C, a blend of HFCs, HFC refrigerant that is commonly used as a replacement for R22 in air conditioning systems. 4. R410A, a blend of HFCs, HFC refrigerant that is commonly used as a replacement for R22 in air conditioning systems. 5. R717, ammonia, NH3 refrigerant that is commonly used in industrial and commercial refrigeration systems. 6. R744, carbon dioxide, CO2 refrigerant that is considered to be environmentally friendly and is used in commercial and industrial refrigeration systems. 7. R290, propane, hydrocarbon refrigerant that is considered to be environmentally friendly and used in residential, commercial and industrial refrigeration systems. It's important to note that even though these refrigerants do not harm the ozone layer, some of them are greenhouse gases and contribute to global warming. Refrigerants work by using a process called the refrigeration cycle to transfer heat from one location to another. The basic components of a refrigeration system include a compressor, condenser, evaporator, and an expansion valve. 1. The compressor compresses the refrigerant gas, which raises its temperature and pressure. 2. The high-pressure, high-temperature refrigerant gas then flows into the condenser, where it releases its heat to the surrounding air or water and condenses into a high-pressure liquid. 3. The high-pressure liquid then flows through an expansion valve, where it rapidly expands and cools, becoming a low-pressure, low-temperature liquid. 4. The low-pressure, low-temperature liquid then enters the evaporator, where it absorbs heat from the surrounding air or water and evaporates into a low-pressure, low-temperature vapor. 5. The low-pressure, low-temperature vapor then returns to the compressor to start the cycle over again. The refrigerant is designed to absorb and release heat at different temperatures and pressures, making it an effective heat transfer fluid. The heat absorbed by the refrigerant in the evaporator is released in the condenser, making the surrounding air or water colder. This process is what cools the air in an air conditioning system or keeps food and other items cold in a refrigerator. This video was made available by Akpo Oyagwa Refrigeration Company. Like this video, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.